morning, students. So far we have discussed about the introduction to p block elements, periodic trends and properties such as electronic configuration, oxidation state, ionization enthalpy, metallic nature, electronegativity and inert pair effect. Apart from that, we discussed about the anomalous behavior of the first element of the p block elements, each and every group of p block elements, and then we discussed about the 13th group element, namely boron, its occurrence, chemical properties and uses. Then today we are going to discuss about borax. Preparation of borax or extraction of borax from its C4 colomanite and its physical properties as well as chemical properties, and also the very important uses of borax in day-to-day life. And then finally we are going to discuss about boric acid. Preparation of boric acid or extraction of boric acid from two important ores of boron, namely borax and colomanite, its chemical properties, its acidic nature, indicating the acidic nature of boric acid, finally the structure of boric acid and the very important uses of boric acid in day-to-day life. Okay, so please attend the class carefully.
Hello students, we are going to discuss about p block elements 1, the 4th class, in which we are going to discuss about the preparation of properties and uses of borax and the preparation, properties and uses of boric acid. These are our today's topics, borax and boric acid. Let us first discuss about borax. Na2B4O7 10H2O. Formula Na2B4O7 10H2O. How is it prepared? Borax is prepared. It is called as the sodium salt of tetraboric acid. What is tetraboric acid? That is sodium badala hydrogen dana H2B4O7. That is called tetraboric acid. Adhula irukka hydrogen replace panni if you add 2 sodium atoms, then it is called sodium salt of tetraboric acid. It is obtained from colomanite. Colomanite is an important ore of boron. Formula Ca2B6O11. By boiling its solution with sodium carbonate. அதோட solution நம்ம என்ன பண்றோம், sodium carbonate ஓட boil பண்ணும்பொழுது கிடைக்கிறது. So Ca2B6O11 plus Na2CO3 plus H2O on heating. ஏன் heating போடணும், நான் boil பண்ணணும் காமிக்கிறதுக்கு. Na2B4O7 CaCO3 plus CaOH twice. So you get borax, calcium carbonate and calcium hydroxide. Here calcium carbonate சேர்ந்து calcium carbonate. Calcium water combine ஆகி calcium hydroxide. Sodium BO combine ஆகி you get Na2B4O7, which is called as borax. So formula Ca2B6O11 colomanite plus Na2CO3 plus H2O on heating gives Na2B4O7 plus CaCO3 plus CaOH twice. Here 6 boron. Here 4 boron. So common number for 6 and 4 is 12. Multiply 6 by 2. So 2 Ca2B6O11. Multiply B4 by 3. So 3 Na2B4O7. Sodium becomes 4. 3 Na2CO3. Now calcium. If you happen to see in the case of calcium, 4 calcium. You write 3 calcium here because carbonate is 3. So 3 CaCO3 plus CaOH twice. 2 hydrogen. So CaOH twice. 2 Ca2B6O11 plus 3 Na2CO3 plus H2O on heating gives 3Na2B4O7 plus 3CaCO3 plus CaOH twice. Borax எப்படி நம்ம represent பண்றோம்னா, it is formulated as Na2B4O7 10H2O. Na2B4O7 10H2O. What does this water, 10 molecules of water, so it is called sodium tetraborate decahydrate. It is called as sodium tetraborate, tetra nale 4, decahydrate, 10 water molecules are there. இதில் என்ன காமனா இருக்குன்னா, it contains tetranuclear units, B4O5 units, OH 4 times minus 2. இந்த minus 2 ங்கிறது compensated by 2 Na atoms. Prism மாதிரி இருக்கும் பார்க்கிறதுக்கு. அதனால this form is called prismatic form. Borax also exists in other forms, namely Jweller form or octahedral borax. Octaனால 8 phases உள்ள borax அந்த கிறிஸ்டலுக்கு. Formula Na2B4O7 5 molecule pentahydrate, sodium tetraborate pentahydrate. And borax glass looks like a glass. Na2B4O7 without water of crystallization, anhydrous form of boron. So what are the various forms of borax? அப்படின்னு கேட்டானா இந்த paragraph ஃபுல்லா எழுதணும். How is borax prepared னா இந்த statement எழுதிட்டு இந்த equation நம்ம எழுதணும். Properties of Na2B4O7 10H2O. This is basic in nature. The hot solution, hot water dissolve பண்ண the solution alkaline because it dissociates into boric acid and sodium hydroxide. So boric acid and sodium hydroxide கொடுக்கிறது, ரெண்டுமே ஆசிடும் கொடுக்கிறது பேஸும் கொடுக்கிறது. ஏன் alkaline சொல்றோம்னா, boric acid is a weak acid whereas sodium hydroxide is a strong base. அதனால தான் the resulting solution is found to be alkaline in nature. Formula Na2B4O7 H2O gives H3BO3 plus NaOH. Heat பண்ண என்ன கொடுக்கும்? It gives transparent beads called as borax beads. பார்க்கிறதுக்கு மணி மாதிரி இருக்கும், டிரான்ஸ்பரண்டா இருக்கும். This is used for the identification of metal ions. It forms colored beads with various metal ions. என்ன formula? Na2B4O7 10H2O. இந்த equation படி இதை heat பண்ணா on heating loses first all the water of crystallization to form anhydrous borax, which will have a bead like structures, glassy beads. என்ன பண்ணுவாங்கன்னா, யூசுவலா ஒரு பிளாட்டினம் லூப் மாதிரி எடுத்து அதுல இந்த borax salt எடுத்து ஹீட் பண்ணா உடனே on heating it will give rise to colorless beads. On further heating will give you sodium metaborate NaBO2 plus boron trioxide. இது ஏதாவது ஒரு மெட்டாலிக் சால்ட், காப்பர் சால்ட்ல டிப் பண்ணி அதை ஃப்ளேம்ல காமிச்சா உங்களுக்கு கலர்லெஸ் பீட் வந்து கேரக்டரிஸ்டிக் கலர்ட் பீடா சேஞ்ச் ஆகும். This test is called as the borax bead test. The identification of colored metal ions. Metal ions identify பண்ண the reaction. Na2B4O7 10H2O on heating gives loses 10 molecules of water to give Na2B4O7. On further heating gives NaBO2 plus B2O3. Here you need 4 boron and 2 sodium, so 2 NaBO2. 2B plus 2B, 4B. Balanced equation is balanced. So what is the action of heat on borax is an important question. Then the solution is slightly alkaline இருக்கனால it reacts with acids to form sparingly soluble boric acid. Sparingly soluble, ஓரளவுக்கு மட்டும்தான் அது dissolve ஆகும். So Na2B4O7 plus HCl plus H2O to give H3BO3 plus NaCl. What is H3BO3? Boric acid. Here 4 boron. Multiply this by 4. So 4H3BO3. Here 2 Na. So write it as 2 NaCl. Now hydrogen. 4 3s are 12. Here 2 hydrogen, 2 HCl. Chlorine ka nama 2 HCl podrom. So remaining 10 hydrogen written as 5 H2O. Similarly, Na2B4O7 plus H2SO4 plus H2O gives H3BO3 plus Na2SO4. Boric acid plus sodium sulfate. Here 4 boron, so multiply this by 4. So 4H3BO3. Hydrogen, 12 hydrogen. Here already 2 hydrogen is there. Remaining 10 hydrogen written as 5H2O. Na2B4O7 plus H2SO4 plus 5H2O gives 4H3BO3 plus Na2SO4. When treated with ammonium chloride, boron, it gives boron nitrate. Ammonium chloride oda treat பண்ணும்போது என்ன கொடுக்கிறது? Boron nitrate. Formula Na2B4O7 plus NH4Cl. Ammonium chloride oda formula NH4Cl. இந்த boron இந்த nitrogen combine ஆகி Bn. NaOCl combine NaCl. Remaining boron oxide, boron trioxide. Hydrogen will combine with oxygen to form water. So the product for main product formed is boron nitrate, formula Bn. Here 4 boron, already here 2, so write 2Bn. Now 2 ஆயிடுச்சு, அதனால you write 2NH4Cl. 2 sodium அதனால 2NaCl. அப்ப chlorine 2 ஆயிடுச்சு. Hydrogen பாத்தீங்கன்னா 4 2s are 8. So here write 4H2O. So Na2B4O7 plus 2NH4Cl gives 2NaCl plus 2Bn plus B2O3 plus 4H2O. Now let us see the uses of borax. What are the uses? Borax is mainly used for the identification of colored metal ions. இப்பதான் பார்த்தோம், அது பேர் borax bead test அப்படின்னு சொல்லி சொன்ன பாருங்கம்மா. காப்பர் வந்து oxidizing flame la green color கொடுக்கும், reduction flame la it gives a red colored bead. Borax next, it is used as a flux in metallurgy. Flux na இலக்கி in தமிழ்ல சொல்லுவாங்க. It is used as a flux in metallurgy. It is used as a preservative. It is used as a preservative. It is used for making special type of optical glasses. Physics la நம்ம வந்து light experiments எல்லாத்துக்கும் யூஸ் பண்ற main glasses consists of borax glass. Chemistry lab ல யூஸ் பண்ற most of the glasses are made up of borosilicate substance. These are called borosilicate glasses. And also for glazing of pottery. Pottery la glaze பண்றதுக்கும் பூச்சி பூசுதல் அப்படினு சொல்ல coating போடுறதுக்கும் நம்ம இத யூஸ் பண்றோம். It will give shiny appearance. Enamel and also for making enamels and glazes in pottery. So these are the uses of borax. Learn the uses because they may ask in 2 more questions. Now let us see the next part, boric acid. Boric acid formula H3BO3 or BOH thrice. H3BO3 or BOH thrice. இது எப்படி நம்ம prepare பண்ணலாம்? Extract பண்ற எதில இருந்து? borax ல இருந்து, colomanite ல இருந்து. What is the formula of borax? Na2B4O7. What is the formula of colomanite? Ca2B6O11. So sodium tetraborate sulfuric acid oda boil பண்றோம். H2SO4 plus H2O gives sodium sulfate combine ஆகி sodium sulfate plus boric acid H3BO3. Here B 4B. ஏன்னா இந்த இடத்துல 4B இருக்கனால இந்த 4 ஆல மல்டிப்ளை பண்றோம். Next 4 3s are 12. Here already 2 hydrogen. Remaining 10 hydrogen written as 5H2O. So Na2B4O7 plus H2SO4 plus 5H2O gives Na2SO4 plus 4H3BO3. Next colomanite Ca2B6O11 plus H2O plus SO2 gives calcium bisulfide CaHSO3 twice. What is this compound? Calcium bisulfide plus main product is boric acid H3 BO3. Here 6 boron, so write it as, here multiply this by 6, 6H3BO3. Next, calcium 2 calcium, so write as 2CaHSO3 twice. Now sulfur, how many sulfur? 2 2s are for here 2 and here 2. So 4SO2. Now how about hydrogen? Here 6 3s are 18 plus 4 22. அப்ப என்ன பண்றோம் நம்ம இந்த இடத்துல 11H2O. So Ca2B6O 11 plus 11H2O gives 4SO2 plus 2CaHSO3 twice plus 6H3BO3. Let us see the properties. Boric acid is a colorless transparent crystal. Transparent இருக்கும், colorless crystalline form. It is a very weak monobasic acid. Now, how will you find out the basicity of an acid? From the number of replaceable hydrogen atoms. Here 3 hydrogen, but only 1 hydrogen can be replaced. That is why it is called monobasic acid. ஒரு monobasic acidல வந்து என்னன்னா ஒரு acid is a substance which is a proton donor. ஆனா இந்த கேஸ்ல it prefers to accept a hydroxyl ion rather than donating a proton. Proton donate பண்றதுக்கு பதிலா என்ன பண்ணும்? hydroxyl ion ஈஸியா accept பண்ற. So BOH thrice plus H2O gives H3O plus waterல இருக்க ஒரு OH minus accept பண்ண OH thrice என்ன ஆயிடும்? OH 4 times அதில் இருக்க charge minus 1. Next, ரெண்டு water molecule ஒரு water molecule வந்து OH போயிடுதுன்னு வச்சுக்கோங்க, remaining will be H plus. So H plus H2O combine ஆகி it forms H3O plus ion, hydronium ion. Next, acidic nature இது எப்படின்னா it can react with bases to form salts. How many? 2 types are. One is sodium metaborate and another one is sodium tetraborate. So sodium hydroxide reacts with boric acid to form sodium metaborate NaBO2 plus H2O. Similarly, sodium hydroxide reacts with boric acid to form sodium tetraborate Na2B4O7 plus H2O. Here 4B multiply H3BO3 by 4. Here 2Na, so write it as 2NaOH. So hydrogen எவ்வளவு இருக்குப்பா? 4 3s are 12 plus 2 14. So write as 7H2O. Let us see action of heat. Boric acid 373 Kelvin heat panna you get metaboric acid HbO2. When heated to 413 Kelvin it gives tetraboric acid H2B4O7. When heated to red hot it gives boron trioxide formula B2O3. So 413 heat பண்ணும்போது it is a glassy mass. Glass மாதிரி இருக்கும் பார்க்கிறதுக்கு உருண்டையா. So boron trioxide red hot heat பண்ணா. So H3BO3 373 Kelvin gives HbO2 metaboric acid plus water. Equation self balanced. ஆனா next stageல பாத்தீங்கன்னா HbO2 on heating to 413 Kelvin gives H2B4O7. Tetraboric acid plus water. Here 4 boron. So you multiply this by 4. In this equation 4 moles of metaboric acid are used. Therefore in the first equation we have to produce 4 moles of HbO2. So multiply the whole equation by 4. And the 4H3BO3 gives 4HbO2 plus 4H2O. Initially balance பண்ண வேண்டிய வேலை இல்லை. Next, when heated to red hot H2B4O7 gives B2O3 plus H2O. Here 4B, so multiply this by 2. Okay, so what is the action of heat on boric acid is an important question. What is the action of ammonia? Fusion of urea with boric acid in an atmosphere of ammonia at 800 to 1200 Kelvin gives boron nitride. So H2B4O7 when heated to red hot gives B2O3 plus H2O. Here action of ammonia, fusion of urea with boric acid in an atmosphere of 800 high temperature gives boron nitride. Formula of boron nitride is Bn. BOH thrice plus NH3 when heated gives Bn plus H2O. B and N combine ஆகுது. H2O பாருங்கம்மா இந்த இடத்துல 3 hydrogen இங்க ஒரு 6. So write it as 3H2O. BOH thrice plus NH3 when heated gives Bn plus 3H2O. Now let us see what is ethyl borate test. Test for borate salt. When boric acid or borate salt is heated with ethyl alcohol in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. Heat panna enna kadaikumna you get an ester. That ester is called as trialkyl borate. இந்த trialkyl borate oda vapor enna avuna it burns. Adoda edges mattum green color ah turn ஆகும். So green edged flame, and this reaction is used to identify the presence of borate. The reaction borate identify பண்றதுக்கு யூஸ் பண்றோம். Equation H3BO3 plus 3C2H5OH on heated with concentrated sulfuric acid gives BOC2H5 the whole thrice plus H2O. What is this? A trialkyl borate, the ester plus 3H2O. Trialkyl borate. இதுதான் என்ன கலர்ல burn ஆகுது? It burns with a green edged flame. Here 3 moles of ethoxy group. So multiply this by 3C2H5OH. Hydrogen பாத்தீங்கன்னா இந்த இடத்துல எவ்வளவு ஹைட்ரஜன் இருக்கு பாருமா 3 15 18 21. Here you have got 3 15. Remaining 6 hydrogen is written as 3H2O. Okay, BOC2H5 the whole thrice is called as trialkyl borate. இது எதோட ரியாக்ட் ஆகுது அப்படின்னா சோடியம் ஹைட்ரைடோட in presence of tetrahydrofuran. அது எதை கொடுக்கிறது அப்படின்னா it gives a coordination compound. என்ன compound? NaBHOR the whole thrice. Sodium trialkoxy borohydrideங்கிற ஒரு ஹைட்ரைடு coordination compound. This compound acts as a powerful reducing agent in organic chemistry. தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும்னு தான் கொடுத்திருக்கே தவிர give the test to identify னா when boric acid ஆரம்பிச்சு ஈக்குவேஷன் மட்டும் எழுதினா போதும். அடுத்த formation of boron trifluoride. boric acid என்ன பண்ணும்னா calcium fluoride ஓட உடனே ரியாக்ட் ஆகுது in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid to give boron trifluoride. You know boron trifluoride is called as Lewis acid, electron deficient substance. நீங்க இத போன chemical bonding lessonல படிச்சிருப்பீங்க. So when boric acid reacts with boron trifluoride in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid gives boron trifluoride CaF2 plus H2SO4 plus BOH thrice gives CaSO4 plus BF3 plus H2O. What is the formula for boron trifluoride? BF3. CaSO4 is calcium sulfate. In the calcium sulfate combine calcium sulfate. Boron and fluorine combine to form boron trifluoride plus H2O. Here 3 fluorine, here 2 fluorine. So common number 6. Multiply this by 2, 6. Multiply this fluorine by 3. So 3CaF2. இப்போ calcium 3 ஆயிடும். இப்போ இந்த இடத்துல என்ன பண்றோம் நம்ம 3CaSO4 னு போடுறோம். Next sulfur என்ன ஆயிடும்? Sulfate 3 ஆயிடும். So multiply this by 3. 3H2SO4. Then boron 2 ஆனனால இந்த இடத்துல 2BOH thrice னு போட்டுடுறோம். Hydrogen பாருமா 3 2s are 6. இங்க ஒரு 6. 6 plus 6 12. அப்ப இந்த இடத்துல என்ன பண்றோம்? 6H2O னு போடுறோம். Okay. அடுத்து when heated with soda ash. Soda ash என்ன அர்த்தம்னா வாஷிங் சோடாவோட ஃபார்முலா இல்ல என்ன சொல்லுங்க? sodium carbonate decahydrate 10H2O Na2. அத ஹீட் பண்ணானா you get anhydrous sodium carbonate. That anhydrous sodium carbonate without water molecule is called as soda ash. Boric acid soda ash ஓட ஹீட் பண்ணா என்ன கிடைக்கும்னா you get borax. Na-வும் B-யும் combine ஆகி Na2B4O7 CO3 வந்து CO2 gas eliminate ஆகி plus water. So Na2CO3 plus BOH thrice gives Na2B4O7 plus CO2 plus 6H2O. Here 4B, here 4, here 4. So 4B. Okay. Next, sodium balance ஆயிடுச்சு. Hydrogen மட்டும்தான் 12 இருக்கு. So you write it as 6H2O. Is it clear? Now let us see the structure of boric acid. Boric acid la pathina it has got a two-dimensional layered structure. Pathina layer ah irukku, indha mari adukadukka irukum. Illa ovvonu enna irukuna borate units. It consists of subunits BO3 minus 3 subunits. Idu oru BO3 minus 3 units, idu oru BO3 minus 3 unit, idu oru BO3 minus 3 unit, idu oru BO3 minus 3 unit. The units la eppadi join aayirukuna, they are linked to each other by hydrogen. Number dotted lines la kuduthukku paru, இந்த BO3 minus 3 units, இந்த BO3 minus 3 units eppadi join aayirukuna through hydrogen bond. இங்கே ஒரு hydrogen bond, இங்கே ஒரு hydrogen bond, இந்த இடத்துல hydrogen bond, இந்த இடத்துல hydrogen bond. They link together by hydrogen bond. Athiya? Can you see? BO3 minus 3, BO3 minus 3, BO3 minus 3, BO3 minus 3. இந்த unit எப்படி join ஆயிருக்கு? By means of hydrogen bond. இந்த unit by means of hydrogen bond. This unit and this unit join together by hydrogen bond. அதே மாதிரி இந்த யூனிட்டும் join together by hydrogen bond. These subunits BO3 minus 3 units, various units are linked to each other with the help of hydrogen bond. What is hydrogen bond? You have studied last year. Hydrogen unit la நம்ம பார்த்தோம். What is a hydrogen bond? Ice is an example of hydrogen bonding அப்படினு பார்த்தோம். Oxygen is highly electronegative. இந்த lesson beginning la பார்த்தோம். So discuss the structure of boric acid is an important question. Now finally we'll discuss the uses of boric acid. First part, it is used for making enamels and glazes in pottery. Pottery pathingla, glazes and enamels in pottery. Idan pottery, cup, saucer, various pottery work எல்லாம் வந்து இது enamel ஆவும் glazing material ஆவும் யூஸ் பண்ணும். And also used as a pigment. Secondly, it is used in medicine in the form of eye lotion. Eye wash பண்றதுக்கோசம் இதை யூஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க. And also antiseptics. நிறைய skin ointments எல்லாம் வந்து one of the ingredients is found to be boric acid. It is also used as a food preservative. Food preservative நம்ம யூஸ் பண்றோம். So these are the uses of boric acid. Learn the uses. Okay, they may ask in the exam. Now let us discuss the evaluation part. How is borax prepared from colomanite? What are the various forms of borax? Page 34 la irukku. What is the action of heat on borax? Page 34. What are the uses of borax? Page 34. How will you identify borate radical? Page 35 la irukku parunga. How will you convert boric acid into boron nitride? Book back question. Page 35 la irukku. Discuss the structure of boric acid. Page 35 la ipada நம்ம discuss பண்ணோம். How is boric acid prepared from borax and colomanite? இதுவும் bookல இருக்கு preparation. In the question very important. How will you identify borate radical? Ethyl borate is bookல இருக்கு. How will you convert boric acid to boron nitride? Book back question. இது ரெண்டும் bookல இருக்கு பாத்துக்கோங்க. Page number ஓட நான் கொடுத்திருக்கேன். Show that boric acid is a weak monobasic acid. அதுக்கான reaction இப்ப நம்ம பார்த்தோம். அடுத்ததா இதுல வந்து இந்த லெசன்ல very important criteria என்னன்னா, they'll ask you to complete the reactions. Complete the following reactions. Organicல கூட அது common question தான். bookல எந்த ஒரு equation வேணாலும் எடுத்தா அதை they'll ask you to complete the equation. கொடுத்துக்கு பாருமா, BOH thrice plus NH3 இப்பதான் நம்ம பார்த்தோம் இல்லையா அதோட reaction boron nitride. அதே மாதிரி borax plus sulfuric acid plus water. இந்த reaction நம்ம இப்ப பார்த்தோம். boric acid preparationல பார்த்தோம். borax வந்து sulfuric acid treat பண்ணா என்ன கிடைக்கும் நமக்கு? sodium sulfate plus boric acid. இந்த இடத்துல boron nitride and water. At the B plus NaOH நம்ம பார்த்தோம் sodium boron ஓட reaction. Okay, next வந்து reaction with action of heat on tetraboric acid H2B4O7. பார்த்தோம் இல்லையா? boron formation of boron trioxide, anhydrous boron trioxide plus H2O.
In this class, I think you would have attended the class carefully and you would have noted down the important points, what I have taught, and also the reactions. Apart from teaching the reactions, I have also taught you how to balance the equations also. Okay, so balancing of equation is very, very important. Without balancing, you will not be given full marks in the public examination. So learn write the balanced equations. So for writing the balanced equation, அதுக்குன்னு தனியா ஒரு நோட்புக் ஒன்று எடுத்துக்கோங்க. அந்த நோட்புக்ல daily you write the equations as many times as possible and then till you get familiarized with the equations. Okay, nothing is difficult. If you work hard, everything will be easy for you. Apart from that, I have given the evaluation part, the questions which are commonly asked in the above topics. So அதுக்கான டெஸ்ட் நீங்க என்ன பண்றீங்க? You write down the test and then you can correct yourself so that you will get very high marks in the forthcoming public examination. Thank you very much. Thanks for listening carefully.